Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. Today we are talking about this new install. This is the Freetress Viva curl. It was 18 inches and obviously I trimmed it, but I'm very much in love with this hair. What I'm going to do is show you what the hair looks like in the packs. I combined the color TP30, color 4, and color 2 to get just like a little brownish black situation. And I'm going to show you how I install the hair, and then we'll come back with more specifics. Because this hair comes in a bundle pack, it has 3 sections per pack. I purchased 3 packs. I wanted to mix the 3 colors, so I did open all 3 packs. Now, I could have gotten away with only using 2 packs, but I used about 2 1/3. So I have 2/3 of a pack left over for me to fill in some spaces if I need to, or just reuse the hair for something else. I really like this curl. It is a very soft curl. It's a very flowy curl, but it does cover a lot of space. Now, initially I pulled the hair apart and separated it into 2 pieces, and then I stopped doing that. It was getting too fluffy. I didn't like it, so I just put the whole pieces in and then kind of rubbed my fingers on them to make them a little more poofy. This hair was $9.99 per pack at my local beauty supply store, so $30 for this look. My hair is still braided in the old braids that I had from a while back, but I still used my normal weaving cap and I used my latch hook. One of the questions that I get when I have long hair and I trim it is, why don't I just cut the hair in half? If I cut the hair in half, it'll be too short. I generally only take off about 4 inches, so this hair is about 14 inches long now. If I were to cut it in half, it's 18-inch hair, so each piece would be 9 inches. And then when you're trying to install, it gets a little shorter, and that's not the look that I'm going for. Plus, it makes it layer too much, and it's more full on the top versus hanging long. So that's why I like to get long hair and just trim it to my liking versus cutting it in half. I did not do the invisible part method in the front. I have plain knots. So what I saw one YouTuber do was grab a comb, and I'm assuming she was hiding the knots, but she just took her comb and kind of combed down a little bit. And so I did do that. I don't know that I got much difference, but I'm gonna try it again tomorrow to fluff at the root so I can hide those knots better. But overall right now, I love this hair. It's very pretty, it's very flowy. Once I uninstall this hair, I will leave in the comments below. I'll pin it at the top of the comments how I liked it, if it got fluffy or anything of that nature. You can always check my Instagram too to see pictures of me wearing the hair over time. Ultimately, I think I'm gonna love it. It reminds me of Go-Go Curl and a few other types of loose hair. Ultimately, I'm gonna have to cut it out. I can't just unloop it, so I won't be able to save it, but I am gonna get the most out of it this week and a half that I wear it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for joining me on this episode of Conversations with Candace, and until next time, y'all have a great day.